Welcome to part 1 of Ershad's and Logicom's unboxing and installation session of Microsoft OEM Windows 11 Pro license. Before setting up your new PC, it is important for us to let you know of the following about purchasing the Microsoft Windows Pro or Home licenses. Always purchase your Microsoft softwares from genuine sources, as it's the best way to protect your investments, be it the device you have purchased, or be it the confidential or personal data you're going to store on your device, which is literally your partner. One of the biggest giveaways to spurious licenses is the price. If it's below a price point offered on the Microsoft portal by a more than fair margin, it may be fake and you could become a victim. Microsoft does not offer any keys separately. The OEM license comes in its package as shown in this video. Software consistently needs updates on security patches besides the product feature upgrades. Hence, if pre-installed at a very low price by your supplier, check for tells like the update on your system update is turned off. Remember, the cheapest source is not always the right source.